Welcome to Mansage. Namaste, I'm Analisi Upadhyay. I'm independent energy distributor from Gujarat, India. Today in this video, I will share you regarding a traveling kit that we have made at home, which is cost cutting and easy to carry. So let's see now how we have made up, and you can even use that idea if you want. You can see here, this is traveling bag. We have used this traveling bag to make our homemade Kangen traveling kit. You can see this bag. It is made up of armor sheet. This armor sheet is available in sofa making stores. You can go there and purchase this armor sheet and can make your own Kangen traveling kit at your home. See, this is Kangen machine Leveluk SD501 model. I have Leveluk SD501 model at my place. That's why I use this for traveling purpose. Now I will show you what I have kept in traveling kit. First, this is Energy Company's brochure. You can see here. It is of Kangen machine. This is strong acidic water, 2.5 pH in the spray bottle. Beauty water, 6.0 pH in spray bottle. This is international plug. This is tester. This is plier. This is pipe cutter or wire cutter. This is business card of Kangen water. This is 3-pin extension board. These all these things we kept in this box shape so it gets easily fit and does not fall. This is extra extension pipe. This is Teflon. This is universal pH tester. This is TDS meter to check the TDS and provide up to 150 TDS water to the Kangen machines. This is 3/4 pipe jointer and 3/4 and 1/4 pipe jointer. This is set of Spencer. This is napkin just for cleaning purpose. This is PVC insulation tape. This is electrolysis enhancer solutions bottle. This bottle is must as before moving the Kangen machine, firstly empty the electrolysis enhancer tank and fill that solution in this solution bottle so it becomes easy to carry. Put the machine in the bag only when it gets dry. This is 24 volt DC 3 ampere power supply. It is required for feed pump. This is feed pump of 300 GPD. This is required for Kangen water's input pressure. You can use this product of any other company also. So now you know what to carry in the traveling kit and you can even customize as per your needs. Again, see the traveling kit. Now I will pack the traveling kit in front of you so you can easily identify that how easy it is to carry and it is cost efficient also. Hope you like my video. If you want to see my videos regarding Kangen water, deep cleaning, e-cleaning or other Kangen water related video, then you can check out my channel Mansage. If you have any query or suggestion, then you can comment here below. If you like my video, then please like, share and subscribe my channel Mansage. Thank you.